am going to do a review on Zoobles. And this is my first one that I got. Her name is Doggy, because she looks like a dog. And here's the other one. She looks like a panda, so I call her Pandy. And here's this one. I call her the Sneaky Peeky. And this one I call the Flying Owl. And I do a movie about them. And here's the homes. It's really cool because you could I'll use Sneaky Peeky and you can roll them into a ball like Bakugan, like boys do, like them. And you put them in the case, and you put them in there, and you stuck them in there. And sometimes I let them have a guard, like that. And then my favorite thing about them is you could roll them like that, and on a hard floor it could open. And if you don't have a hard floor or the kitchen, you could just put it on the house. You can put them on the house and look at voila. And my mom, my grandma, my mom's mom, she let us have $100 for Christmas, and I wanted to buy these for $100. So you could open them. And then my favorite thing about them is I love them. They're so cuddly, and thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.